What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have another for sale video. This is the least expensive ones. Great for gifts or for everyday use. Not so much limited editions, but great watches nevertheless. Let's check it out. Let's go. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I do these for sale videos kind of here and there once in a while. People request them and I do them. I just did a big one recently, and this is the second video for sale video, but these are the more cost-effective ones. These are daily use ones, beater if you may. Brand new watches nevertheless, and great deals. So the deal here with these watches is that I'm selling them each for $60. If you buy two of any kind that you like, you get them for $100. Shipping is included anywhere in the U.S. And it's an additional charge for international. I ship to the U.K., anywhere in Europe. I've done Mexico. Just got to pay for shipping in addition, on top of the actual fee, because I can't cover that cost. But yeah, I'm gonna do one by one. You guys can check them out. Email me with the screenshot of the watches that you like. Once again, the price is $60 each watch, or 2 for $100. Let's get started. Let's go. All right, first watch up is this one here. But before we get started, just a reminder, I take Zelle payment, PayPal friends, Cash App, Venmo friends, or Wise if you're international. That's another option. But those are the payment methods I accept. Let me know which one works for you. And once again, email me. My email is in the description of the video. CHAV as in Victor 060@hotmail.com. CHAVO60@hotmail.com. Here is the first watch, the G8900 A-1. This one's cool. It's got the blue display there, black bands. This is a glossy finish on the band. Beautiful backlight, if I can show you guys here. Gorgeous dual LED on that puppy. The G8900. Next one up. This one here is the GB8900. You see the original price there. This one is a step tracker, I believe. Yep, step tracker, black watch. Cool little glossy accent there. Very comfortable on the hand, on the watch, on the wrist. It's got a negative with positive numbers, analog and digital. Next up, this one here. Let me check the model number on this one. This is a GMA S130. GMA S130 also has step tracker. Step tracker, digital and analog. This one does not have a tag. Next up, GA700. UC-5A. This is a cool watch. Very cool daily watch. It's got the tan, military tan color on there. Analog digital. Very legible. The glare here is a little bad, but you can see there. Very legible display. Analog and digital. Show you guys the backlight on this one. There you go. Next up, GA2100. This is the black one. Digital and analog. Also very nice. GBA800. Needs a battery, but I'll make sure the battery is there and the watch is fully operating before shipping it out. Next is the GA100-1A. This is nice. It's got a cool pattern on the display there. It's kind of a checkered pattern on a display. Next is the DW5600 HR1. Another great looking watch. This is cool. It's got a red undertone on the band there. This is a great watch. Very underrated watch right there. Negative display, but it's got a beautiful backlight. Almost feel like showing these in the dark is better than with all the glare. Look at that. Very clean. Next, we have another GA100. Right here. GA100 CF-8A. It's got like a camel gray thing working there on the glass. It's a gray color. Looks good. A gray colorway. Analog digital positive display. See how legible that looks? Looks much better, right? Next, we have another GA700. GA700 UC-3A. This is the green. Another military series color. Green, khaki. Analog digital. Another beautiful display on there. See that? Beautiful backlight. GA700. This one here will sell pretty fast. This is the GA700 MF-1A. Look at this colorway. Look at that. Very cool. Reminds me kind of the Miami colors, sort of, right? Looks really good. Another one that also will sell out pretty fast, in my opinion, the GA700 BB-1A. Look at this one. Look at that. Oh man, that's nice. That color is so nice. It's hard. Look at that. Oh. Tell me that it's not cool. Very nice watch. Sold. Another one that was sold fast, the GD350. Look at that. Beautiful. I think one of the best looking backlights in all the GShock watches. GA700. Oh, GA350, excuse me. It vibrates, so it actually has vibrating alarm. Look how legible that looks. GD350. Next, we have a GA100 in white. GA100 B-7A. Very clean summer watch. Looks fresh with those J's, right? For those who wear J's, I don't. Another great GD350. Black and gold. This one does have a tag. GD350 GB-1. Look at that backlight. Oh, man, these are so nice. All right, moving on. We have here this one. This is a GMAS 130 VC, excuse me, step tracker as well. This is a cool color. It's like a gray colorway. I love the backlight. I wish I would have changed the battery on this one. The backlight on this is so cool. It looks like a kind of a Mercury display on this one. Very nice watch, this one here. These usually sell pretty fast as well. GMAS 110 MC-2A. I won't tell you a little secret on these, but check eBay on the prices on these. I mean, hopefully you're not a reseller, but if you're looking for this watch, this will be one you want to get. Cool speckled color on that band. Hard to see there, but it's like a blue speckle. GMAS 110. Very nice watch. Another GA700. Right here. GA700 UC-8A. This is gray. Turn the backlight on this. You can see that. It's a gray colorway. These GA700s are really good. They are very popular. Always forget the model number on this one. I don't know why. This is a GD400. GD400 with the bull bars. Beautiful red lettering. Very nice watch. Also will sell fast. Very nice watch. Then we have this one. For the ladies. Yeah, this one's for the ladies. This is a model number GMAS 140. Get one for you. Get one for the missus so she doesn't complain that you didn't get her anything. You buying too many watches, right? Or tell her, mind your business. Mind your business. Whichever one works for you. I know what works for me. Decide what works for you. There we have this one here. This is the GD 100. I love this backlight as well. Look at that. Very clean military watch. This is great for like if you work in any kind of industry, if you work construction, military, law enforcement. A great beater watch right here. This thing will outlast you guaranteed. Now we have a GA 110. GA 110 1B. This is cool. GA 110. Next up, we have another GA 100 right here. Look at that green numeration on there on the display. Just gorgeous. GA 100 C-183. $110. You can't beat it. $50, you can't beat it. For a brand new watch that you could beat up and do whatever you want, you just can't beat it. Just cool looking watch. We have this one here, the GAS 100. I think it is GAS 100. Solar power watch. Black with blue accents. Positive display. Very clean. Look at that. You can see the solar power. Low, medium, high indicator. Positive display. Analog digital. Beautiful backlight. Clean. These sell fast. People are still emailing me about these watches from the last time I posted this video because they sell so fast. This one is cool. I like this one. This is for maybe one of your kids or one of your girlfriends, whatever you want to do. BGA 131 2B. This is cool. Look at that display. It's got a small digital display there. But look at the backlight on this. This is so cute. Look at that. The backlight on there is cool. It's so cool. Perfect for a kid, for a female, small wrist. Maybe you. Who cares? I'm not going to judge. DWS 6900. This is the floral colorway. DWS, is it? I think it's DWS 6900. I believe the color, the model number is. Very cool watch. Put some light on it so you can see it better. It's got the floral pattern. Very cool. All right, we have this one here. Another, I forget the model number of this one too. GMAS, what is it? GMAS 120 MF. This is cool. Black with a cool chrome display. Next up, we have this one here. Another oddball, but cool. The DW 5700 BBMA. This one's fun. This is a black colorway, but it's got a kind of a chrome display. So this one doesn't need, it's hard to read. There you go. See that? Chrome display, black on there. Nice backlight. If I can find a button here. See the backlight on there? Looks like a metallic also. Very nice. Next up, we have this one here. DW 5600, the military series. Backlight there. There you go. Hard to see because it's bright in this room. DW 5600 military series. Cool. Kind of a red tinted military looking display. Now we have this one here, the G100. Anti-magnetic. You see? See that there? All right, we have another one of these models. Black and gold series. Now this is the black and gold one. Right there, black and gold. Another GMAS 110. This is a gold with pink. Very nice. Needs a battery, but I'll put that in there for you. Another GMAS 110. This is the gold with the blue. Very gorgeous. This is very gorgeous watch. I love this one. Next we have this one here. GD110, I believe it is, or GD120. No, it's GD120, right? Yeah, GD120 CM for camel. Zoom out a little bit so you can see this better. It's got the camel print on the dial there. Camel print throughout the band. Just cool, gray. And then the backlight does not disappoint. Look at this watch. Very nice. The backlight does not disappoint. Look at that. Look at that backlight. So gorgeous, just beautiful. Just Casio knows how to do it. These G-Shocks, they know what they're doing with them. And that's why we're suckers, because they're just great watches overall. This was cool. This is also a step tracker. This was digital though, non-analog. So backlight is back here. There you go. Show the light on there. It is step tracker. It does have Bluetooth. Bluetooth technology step tracker. Another step tracker here. Very similar line. This one does have analog and digital. The other one was only digital. This is gray color. Step tracker. I'll put a battery in there for you. Another DW69, DWS, I think it is, GMAS 6900. That's what it is. GMAS 6900. This was the pink one. The other one was floral. This one's camel pink. Again, I'll put a battery in there. The camel print carries into the display. Beautiful watch. And then lastly, we have this one here. This is kind of a newer model. This is a GA010. GA010. Very clean watch. Positive display. It's like a kind of a greenish or bluish color band. See? Beautiful display on there as well. Look at that. Dual LED. Analog digital. Timer, stopwatch, alarms. Just great watch. There you guys have it. The sale video for the inexpensive $60 each, two for $100. Email me, let me know if you're interested. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Till next time, this is Chicago. Holla at your boy. I'm out of here. Peace.
My GShock, I'm rocking my G-Shock. 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 I'm rocking my G-Shock.